enough time in the day for me to love my husband and nag him about fixing that darn leaky toilet. I would rather fix it myself and go back to peaceful bliss. Now for this project, you'll need a few simple things. A fill valve kit, a sponge, a pair of scissors, pliers, and a bucket. Step 1. Shut off water. Flush toilet and sponge out excess water. Step 2. Unscrew water supply line from bottom of tank. Unscrew the nut below the tank that holds the fill valve in place and remove entire fill valve assembly. Step 3. Place the rubber shank washer on the bottom of the new fill valve shank so the flat side is against the valve. Step 4. Place the new fill valve in the tank. Adjust the height so the critical level mark, located just below the top of the fill valve, is 1 inch above the overflow pipe. Step 5. Hand tighten the lock nut onto the shank of the fill valve below the tank. Do not use plumber's putty and do not over-tighten. Over-tightening may crack the tank. Step 6. The new fill valve comes with a variety of washers to accommodate which type of water supply line feeds the toilet. Reconnect the water supply. Be sure to hand tighten only. Step 7. Clip the refill tube to the top of the overflow pipe. Be sure the end of the tube is positioned just above the overflow pipe and not down into the pipe. Step 8. Turn on the water supply. Adjust the water level by squeezing the clip on the float cup and sliding it up or down the stainless steel link bar. Step 9. Adjust chain if needed and check for leaks and check for proper flush. Another problem fixed. I'm Kim Williams from Williams Lumber. Stop by Williams Lumber today and nail it right the first time. Stop by one of our stores today or visit us on the web. If you mention this project, Williams will package up everything you'll need and have you on your way.
Williams Lumber, everything else you need for your